Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Velvet Lounge. Today we are going to discuss discounts, free cash, and free stuff. And for all of the items I am going to mention, other than a couple, it literally takes a minute or two to sign up for these discounts. So I'm going to get right into this for you. So there's no catch. There's nothing you need to do that's extraordinary for these discounts. Like I said, you can look up most of them, but I will put some links down below in the description to get you right to where you need to go without having to do any searching yourself. So the first one I'm going to start out with, and I'm going to say that, this is my favorite, that's my favorite. All of these are my favorite ways to save money. And we've used all of them, every single one of them, and they all work. So the first is Target. So Target, sells everything from furniture to food and clothing and everything else you can imagine. Everything just about is included in their red card discount program. Without question, you will receive 5% off when you cash out at the register. The only thing you have to do is use your red card. I will tell you that your red card is attached to one of your banking accounts. So what they're trying to get people to do, instead of using a debit or a credit card or writing a check, is they want you to use a red card, because if you do that, they don't have to pay credit card fees, bank fees, that type of thing. They're dealing directly with you and your bank instead of having a middle person there. So what they're doing is passing on some of that savings, if not all of it, to you by giving you 5% off every single day. If there's a sale, you get it off the sale price. If you buy something on clearance, you get it off the clearance price. I think the only things not included are if the Target sells beer or wine, or if there's a prescription involved. I think actually on prescription drugs it's included as well. So I think there's really just the wine liquor thing. Beer is the only thing. In most Targets don't really sell that. I think the ones in the South do, but yeah, you can definitely get that 5% off. Just use your card to cash out. You're done. Another of my favorites is Sears. Sears has an amazing Shop Your Way rewards program. And members get a percentage of the money back that they spend on items. So, for example, we were buying a bunch of appliances for our first house and our second house that we built. And in those homes, because we're building them from the ground up, they needed everything. And so we simply went to Sears. They have a couple brands that I like a lot there. Plus, I like to have all the appliances matching. So we bought suites of appliances. And at the end of it, we had, I think it was almost $400 in points that we had earned. And we actually were able to use those points, and we were able to shop with them just like you would shop with cash or debit or credit card. So you go up to the cashier, you show them your card or give them your telephone number, and they can look to tell you how many points you have. Right away, if you ask for them to take the points off and use them, they take the points off of your order. And several times we walked out of the store paying absolutely nothing. And a couple times, yes, we had to pay the difference. So if you only have $100 in points and your item costs $125, then yes, you have to pay the $25, that's over your points. But that's how simple, easy, and quick it is for you to use. And just to let you know, I'm going to create a 2 or 3 part series when it comes to the discounts. So this is video 1. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you do that you think is, good for saving money as well, or any ideas, put them down in the comments below so that we can also try them out. And we'll give you a shout out as well as if you can give us a thumbs up, we'll definitely return the favor. So my next, I'm going to skip over this one is, and actually I'll talk about some I have on paper. One is using the United States Postal Service for a discount. Can you believe it? Yes, from the U.S. government, you can get a discount if you are moving. What you do is you ask the person at the counter for a change of address kit. And in the kit, there will be a bunch of coupons. One of them that we love is Lowe's. Lowe's has a coupon in there. You'll find some for U-Haul as well as other services and products. But, you know, just like that, just because you're changing your address. But the thing is, you do need to go in and ask for the moving or change of address kit. And I don't know if they like transfer that online yet. Another one is getting a job at the store that you want to buy a lot of products from because you know you have a project coming up. So what you would do is simply apply for a job, get the job. I'm going to use Lowe's as my example. And if you know that you need a lot of custom work, you're buying a bunch of cabinets, etc., get a job there, get the employee discount, and you might have to work there for a couple months or two. And sometimes with some of these employee discounts, the longer you work there, the bigger the discount is. But if you want to, just, you know, get a job, work there for 2-3 months so that you finish the probation, work after that and get your employee discount. And when you quit the job, just make sure you give them proper notice. But it's a great way to take advantage of the employee discount program and also work and make a few dollars. So when you're there, definitely put your effort in and do a great job. You might want to go back there in the future. So I'm going to end this video and come back to you with part 2 of this series. And hopefully you guys try out some of these tips and tricks. And remember to subscribe to the Velvet Lounge. Give us a thumbs up. Once again, share your thoughts down in the comments. And have a nice day.